Hi yes. Next topic CTET Motivation and Learning. Paper-1 Notes and Question Answers. Again repeated. CTET Topic Motivation Learning. Notes Question Answers. Paper-1. Meaning of motivation. Motivation is derived from the word motive, which means a reason for doing something. Motivation is the factor which is simulates an organism for achieving a particular task. Definition of motivation. According a good motivation is the process arousing, sustaining and regulating the active. Motivation means regulating the active. Question. What is an often used for motivation? Need. Answer is need. Next, characters of motivation. Desired when needs emergence, goal, organized process, dynamic process, increases the efficiency of child, positive or negative, external, internal. Also. Next, types of motivation. 2. Intrinsic, extrinsic. Definitions. Intrinsic means with the behavior of the individual. Next one, external rewards the such a money, frame, gardens. It is individual behavior. Next questions. A student works hard to clear an extends text from the admission into a medical college. The student said to be motivation. Intrinsic motivation. Next question. What is the example of classic from the extrinsic motivation? Extrinsic motivation definition. What? Individual's behavior. That means self-esteem. Next. Motivation theorems. Read carefully. Theorems is 5 is there. Question. Hierarchy of the needs. Love and belongingness. Answer is D. We specified the red color. Please topic important on that. Five needs are there. Psychological needs, basic needs, safety needs, needs the safe, human this needs, social needs the love and affection. Extreme means what? Two kind of says, internal and external. Next, self-actualization needs. Design. Often the individual become what is the capable of the becoming. Next questions. Which one of the statement motivation and learning correct? Answer. Learning is effective only when the students have initial motivation is desired to learn from inside. Next one, learning. Learning is the modification behavior, continuous process and permanent change. Next, nature of learning. Next, principles of motivation and learnings. Next, motivation and learning. Both points. Motivation direct the behavior and individual towards the particular goal. Next, which term is often to the interchangeably is the term of motivation? Need. Need, compulsory need. Answer. Next, the inner force of stimulates of complaints behavior response and provide the specific direction of response. Motive. Last ones. Runner likes to achieve the goal often to the true and false. Which of the following reasoning must be shown? Restricting. What is that? Restricting. Next one. What should be teacher tell her students? Encourage them to task the instinctive motivation. Try to do it, you will learn. Next, which of the following properly sequenced in the context of motivation cycle? Need, derived, arousal, goal, direction, behavior, type, achievement and reduction of arousal. Last question. Motivation in the process of learning creates a interest learning